Good evening, friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. Tonight for dinner, we are going to be making some hamburger helper, but we're going to be ditching that box and making it from scratch. So come along while we get it started. All right, friends, so this is everything that we need to get started with our hamburger helper. We're going to need some ground beef, some tomato sauce, cheese, milk, your elbow noodles, and then for seasoning, some Italian seasoning, some chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, pepper, and then I'm using the chicken tomato bouillon. If you have beef bouillon, go ahead and use beef, but this is all I got right now. All right, first thing that you're gonna need to do is start browning up your ground beef. So we're gonna use about 2 pounds of ground beef. I'm gonna be using my cast iron, and I have my big cast iron. All right, now that our ground beef is pretty well browned, we're gonna go ahead and remove some of this fat. All right, so I'm gonna leave about that much fat in there. All right, so I did forget to mention that you are gonna need some flour. This is just to thicken it up. So we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle about 2 tablespoons of flour, and then just go ahead and mix it up. And we're gonna cook this flour a little bit. And this is gonna create a little bit of a roux, which is a thickening for our hamburger helper. All right, so at this time, we're gonna go ahead and add our seasonings. We're gonna do a tablespoon of onion powder, a tablespoon of garlic powder, about a half a teaspoon of black pepper, about a half a teaspoon of cumin, and about a half a teaspoon of chili powder. And a big helping tablespoon of our Knorr bouillon. I'll go in with another half a tablespoon. All right, let's get this all mixed in. Okay, now we're gonna add our 4 cups of water and 1 cup of milk. And we're gonna wait till this comes up to a boil, and then we'll go ahead and add in our noodles. All right, I'm gonna go in with a half a cup of tomato sauce, and I'm gonna go in with a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. This one I like to put my hand and kind of crush up a little bit more when we put it on there. All right, friends, so it's coming up to a boil. We're gonna add in our macaroni. We're gonna do 2 cups of our elbow macaroni. Go ahead and give that a good stir. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put our lid on top and take this down to a low heat. And we are gonna let this cook for 8 to 10 minutes, just until our noodles are tender. All right, while it's cooking, make sure you go through and you stir it every minute or 2. That way they don't stick to the bottom and cause it to burn. You see it's thickening up nicely and your noodles are getting nice and plump. All right, friends, so it has been 10 minutes and our hamburger helper is all done. Go ahead and turn off your heat. Give it another stir. At this point, you would go in with your sour cream if you like sour cream. My family does not like sour cream, so I'm leaving this out. And we're gonna go in with our shredded cheese. I'm gonna do a nice big handful of shredded cheese. And we're gonna go ahead and mix that in there. And we're gonna let this sit for about 5 minutes, and then it will be ready to serve. All right, friends, it has been resting. Let's go in and get our bowl and give this a taste. All right, friends, and here is our bowl of hamburger helper that we made from scratch here at home. No box needed. We've got it. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and add some sour cream because I love sour cream. So this is perfect for my busy moms out there. This meal done in less than 20 minutes from start to finished. You can get home from a busy day at work and you can have food on the table for your entire family very fast. Now let's go in and taste this. Way better than the box stuff. And you know exactly what went into this. No special stuff, no added preservatives, no things that you can't spell. You know what is in this and you'll love it. Your family's gonna love it. All right, friends, so let me know in the comments what your favorite hamburger helper was growing up, and then what you think of my own personal recipe for making it from scratch at home. And until next time, friends, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.